Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Honda Civic without a working key fob. First, you need to gain entry to your vehicle. Your key fob contains a hidden emergency key. Press the small release button on the fob and pull out this physical key. Next, pull the driver's side door handle outwards. This will expose a key cylinder. Insert the emergency key into this cylinder and turn it clockwise to unlock your door. Once you are inside your Civic, make sure the parking brake is applied and the transmission is in park. Now, for the crucial step, take your key fob and physically touch it to the engine start/stop button. The car has a sensor that can read the fob's chip even without battery power. While keeping the fob against the button, firmly depress the brake pedal, then push the start button to ignite the engine. Congratulations, your Civic is now running. However, this is a temporary solution. You should replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Honda key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Keeping a spare battery in your glove compartment can save you from future inconvenience. It's a small step that makes a big difference in preparedness. To avoid future situations where your key fob battery dies, make it a habit to check its functionality regularly. If you notice the range decreasing or the buttons becoming less responsive, it's a clear sign to replace the battery. Proactive maintenance ensures you're never stranded. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh and ready for any adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.